Super fresh ingredients and the best prawns in the world makes for an amazing seafood dish. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making a super fresh Carabinero Prawn Tartare with mangoes and apple. So we got a few ingredients to prep, so let's start with that. We're going to finely dice one shallot and put in a bowl. Then we want to cut one green apple into little cubes. We also want to do the same thing with a ripe mango. We're using a Kent mango. We're going to zest one lime into the bowl. Then we're going to finely dice a bunch of chives and add to the bowl as well. Then we're going to drizzle this with 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. We also want to add 1.5 tablespoons of a floral vinegar. We're using wild rose vinegar from Noma Project. We're going to season this with salt and pepper. Then we want to stir and set aside. We have 4 beautiful Carabinero prawns here. We want to deshell them and remove the head. Do not throw this away. It makes for an amazing stock. We want to cut the tail in half and remove the digestive tract. Then we're going to carefully cut it into smaller pieces. We want to place this in a bowl. All the ingredients are now ready, so let's put the tartare together. We're going to mix the prawns and the fruit. I like to use 1.5 part to 1 part prawns. You want to stir this around and then place in the fridge for about 30 minutes to allow the ingredients to cook the prawns. We're going to place a ring cutter on our plate. We're going to scoop the tartare into our ring cutter, and then we want to carefully remove it. Last but not least, we're going to garnish with some edible flower petals. Then this super fresh and beautiful dish is ready to serve. And that is how I make my Carabinero Prawn Tartare with apples and mangoes. And we got to try this and see what it tastes like. So here we go. It is a beautiful dish. And it tastes even better. I really hope you try this at home. Happy grilling. Oh, wow.